App. The term app is short for application and refers to a software program designed to perform specific tasks or provide specific functions on electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, or computers. Apps are usually downloaded and installed onto the device and can be used offline or online, depending on their functionality. Examples of apps include 1. Social media apps. Apps like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow users to connect with others, share photos and videos, and post updates. 2. Messaging apps. Apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, and iMessage enable users to send text messages, make voice and video calls, and share media files with friends and family. 3. Entertainment apps. Apps like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube offer a wide range of movies, TV shows, music, and videos for streaming and enjoyment. 4. Productivity apps. Apps like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Evernote help users create, edit, and organize documents, spreadsheets, and notes. 5. Gaming apps. Apps like Candy Crush, Pokémon Go, and Clash of Clans provide entertainment through various games and challenges. 6. Travel apps. Apps like Google Maps, Airbnb, and Skyscanner assist users in finding directions, booking accommodations, and searching for flights. 7. Fitness apps. Apps like MyFitnessPal, Nike Training Club, and Strava help users track their workouts, monitor their health, and set fitness goals. 8. Educational apps. Apps like Duolingo, Khan Academy, and Quizlet offer interactive lessons, quizzes, and educational content for learning various subjects. These are just a few examples of the wide variety of apps available today. They serve different purposes and cater to different needs, making our lives more convenient, entertaining, and productive.